May recent move na ginawa ang China to actually raise the quality of their citizens. And I so agree with this. Yung mga influencers sa China must have university degrees to talk about professional topics. Only those who can prove verified competencies will be able to address topics like medicine, law, finance, education, and health. And those who do not follow the rules face the risk of suspension or closure of their account, in addition to fines of up to 100,000 yuan or approximately 13,000 euros. For me, this is a great move kasi mababawasan yung mga influencers na confident lang pero wala namang laman yung utak. Yung mga taong nag-a-advise ng delikadong advice na lalo na pagdating sa medicine na wala namang alam sa medicine. Ang dami dito kasi magaling magsalita, politics. Yung isa nga, graduate ng economics, hindi man lang alam kung paano gamitin yung supply and demand. Maraming Pilipino yung confident magsalita pero wala namang alam doon sa pinagsasabi nila. Dunning-Kruger effect. And you know what's worse? Maganda lang yung packaging nung sinasabi nila pero yung laman, basura. So, ang ending, yung basura na laman ng pinagsasabi ng influencer na yun, nako-consume ng tao. And in that consummation ng basura, inalalason yung isip ng tao. Ang ending, lumalaki silang mangmang doon sa mga bagay-bagay. Kasi nga, wala namang silbi, wala namang sustansya. Yung mga pinagsasabi ng favorite influencers nila, masaya lang pakinggan. Comedy lang. Pero yung katotohanan doon, walang laman. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.